There are various ways to install Python on your computer, but especially for new users, it is highly recommended to opt for Anaconda. It will install not only Python, but also the Jupyter Notebook app and many scientific computing and data science packages. Let's open www.anaconda.com and click on the Download button in the homepage. You have to pick one of the 3 operating systems, Windows, Mac, or Linux. I will show you how to install Anaconda on Windows, but the procedure is identical if you are going to use the Mac or Linux version. Now you must choose the best among the 4 provided options. Do you need Python 2 or Python 3? And then there is a 32-bit or 64-bit version, depending on the Windows you have installed. I know it sounds strange to maintain not 1 but 2 versions of a single program. For this course, the differences between Python 2 and 3 will be almost insignificant, but we suggest you install Python 3. When you choose between a 32 or 64-bit version, you can simply check your operating system. Newer computers are surely running with 64-bit processors, but if you would like to verify this before you begin, you could open your control panel menu from the Start window, then select the System and Security icon, then click on System icon. In my case, it is 64-bit, so when I go back to the Anaconda website, I will select the 64-bit Python 3 version. While waiting to complete the download, you can decide whether to leave your email to Anaconda. This is not a necessary step, so you could also select No thanks, and you're good to go. When the download has finished, please double-click on the file to run the application. What follows is nothing different from the standard Windows installer. Agree and press Next until you have the chance to specify a destination folder. You could do this after selecting the Browse button. When satisfied with the indicated directory, click Next one more time. We suggest you only do the second advanced option. The first option will automate more complicated processes but causes some problems with previously installed software, while the second will register Anaconda as a default Python on your computer if you have not installed some other package. Finally, click Install and proceed until you see the window where you can finalize the installation. We will not use Anaconda Cloud just yet, and we can learn about the Anaconda support later, so I'll untick both boxes. What you just installed is the whole Anaconda distribution, the Python language, a text editor, many applications, and packages. You also have the Jupyter Notebook app. You can open the Start menu and select the respective icon from there. A new window will pop up. It will take a few seconds for the app to load. Once this is done, your web browser will open a new tab with the Jupyter dashboard. In our next video, we'll study the dashboard in more detail and we'll learn how to use Jupyter. See you there. Thanks for watching.